Here's what you can look forward to at RebelCon 2022 in Dallas. We'll kick it all off Wednesday night with a welcome cocktail reception. You'll get a chance to rub elbows with our speakers and guests, including Jon and Pete. You can even get your book signed. The main event, Thursday and Friday, will have some incredible keynotes and panels featuring some of the foremost minds in finance. Don't miss the chance to see Tom Lee, Tony Dwyer, Jordan Freed, and many more. We'll have 3 breakout sessions so you can get into the nitty-gritty with our analysts, Bill Johnson, Stu Dorfman, Brian McCormick, Greg McDermott, and Wayne Razzie. Don't miss your chance to huddle up with our analysts and discuss their playbooks. Come cheer on the number 44 Market Rebellion car Saturday at Texas Motor Speedway. Everyone gets a ticket to come enjoy the sights and sounds of NASCAR. Lastly, would it be Texas without barbecue? We're throwing a big charity barbecue Thursday night, and everyone's invited. Hang out with the panelists and enjoy some drinks, great food, and live music. So get your tickets today. Go to marketrebellion.com/Dallas, and we'll see you down there.